Backing up and restoring a WordPress website in Hostinger is very easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open hostinger.com in Google Chrome. Hostinger will look like this. Locate the login button and enter your valid email and password to log in. Wait a minute, there is loading. Once the website is properly logged in, you'll see that Hostinger is a worldwide website capable of managing and creating thousands of websites. Hostinger has many pages, including home, websites, hosting, emails, domains, VPS, etc. Click on the File option. A pop-up menu will appear, offering several choices such as File Manager, 2 backups, 3 important websites, 4 copy websites, 5 FTP accounts, and the last one is Change Password. Since our topic is about taking a backup of a website, click on it. This section has 4 features. The first one is Restore Website. The second one is Files Backup. The third is Database Backup. And the last is Generate New Backup. Click on Files Backup. Scroll down. Continue scrolling down and choose the desired date. You'll see a Next Step button. Proceed by selecting all the files and clicking Restore File. A text box will appear next, asking for confirmation on whether you want to restore the files or not. Click Restore. In this way, we can successfully back up and restore WordPress websites using Hostinger.